Students, next we see how to find the LCM and HCF between the given two numbers using the prime factorization method. Okay. So, before going into this topic, we have to know what is called LCM and what is called HCF. In your lower classes, you have studied. So, LCM is least common multiple, right? So, HCF is highest common factor. So, what is the meaning of multiple and what is the meaning of factor? For example, multiples of 3, I can write multiples of 3 as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and like that. Okay. So, factors of 6, I can write 1, 2, 3 and 6. So, I am writing this because 6 can be represented as 1 into 6, 2 into 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. Okay. So, multiples of 3 means this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Factors means these are called factors. Okay. For example, take the numbers 12 and 48. I have to find the LCM and HCF between these two numbers. For that, I have to prime factorize the numbers, given numbers. Okay. So, what is prime factorization method? Factorizing the given numbers only with the help of prime factors, right? So, 2, 6 again by 2, 3, then by 3, it gives 1. So, 12 is equal to 2 into 3. Okay. So, again 48 by 2 gives 24, by 2 it gives 12, by 2 it gives 6, by 2 it gives 3. Okay. So, 48 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. See these two representations. Try to take the common elements, 2, here another 2, here 3. So, I am picking up the common factors. So, the common factors are 2, 2 and 3. Simply multiply these three numbers, you will get the HCF. Okay. So, highest common factors. So, I have to multiply these common factors, we will get highest common factor. Okay. So, highest common factor here is 2 into 2 into 3, which means 4 into 3, 12. So, HCF is 12. HCF between these two numbers is 12. Okay. Then we have to find the LCM between these two numbers, right? So, I am writing, see here, 2 into 2 into 3 into, then fill the left out factors, 2 into 2, right. So, I have to write the common things, this 2 and this 3, okay, and fill the left out factors 2 and 2, right. So, 2 into 2. So, multiplying these numbers, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So, the LCM between these two numbers is 48. Okay. This is the procedure to find the LCM and HCF between the given numbers using the prime factorization method. Students, let me verify the found values of HCF and LCM of these numbers 12 and 48. See, these are the multiples of 12 and these are the multiples of 48. So, what is called least common multiple? So, least common multiple here is 48. It is the least occurring common multiple between 12 and 48. So, LCM is 48. Okay. So, see the factors of 12 and 48. So, HCF means highest common factor. So, see here highest common factor 12. It is the highest factor of 12 and it is the factor of 48. So, I can match the highest common factor here. Okay. So, HCF of 12 and 48 is 12. So these are the found values of HCF and LCM of the numbers 12 and 48. Next, there is a relation between the HCF and LCM of the given two numbers. It is stated that the HCF into LCM of the given numbers is equal to product of the numbers. Let me prove with a set of numbers. For example, I am having the number 8 and 16. Okay. So finding HCF and LCM between these two numbers, I will go for prime factorization method. 2, then by 2, 2, 1. Okay. Then 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1. So 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, then 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So grouping the elements, this 2 and this 2. So HCF between the numbers 8 and 16 and LCM of 8 and 16. Okay. So HCF is 2 into 2 into 2, which gives 8, right? LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? So which is nothing but 16. The product of LCM and HCF is 8 into 16, and the product of the number here is product of the given numbers is 8 into 16. See, these two results are same, right? So the product of LCM and HCF of the given numbers is equal to the product of the numbers.